Meet the WK1 Magnetic Dual-Beam Flashlight, the first of its kind, designed to revolutionize the way you light up your world. With its 180-degree rotatable head, you're no longer limited by fixed angles. Aim the light exactly where you need it, whether you're working, camping, or facing an emergency. The 1400 lumen spotlight pierces through the darkness, while the 90 CRI floodlight gives you true-to-life color and wide illumination. Perfect for precision tasks and outdoor adventures. And with 9 intelligent light modes, you're always in control. From high-powered beams to energy-saving modes, the WK1 adapts to any situation. Need hands-free lighting? The strong magnetic base instantly mounts the WK1 to any metal surface. Perfect for car repairs, DIY projects, or even emergency roadside fixes. And thanks to its compact everyday carry design, the WK1 is always ready when you are. Whether it's in your pocket, your backpack, or clipped to your gear. No matter where life takes you, the WK1 ensures unmatched brightness, versatility, and durability. It's not just a flashlight, it's your ultimate lighting solution. Experience the power of the WK1 Magnetic Dual-Beam Flashlight. Light up every moment, anytime, anywhere. Order yours today and step into the future of lighting. Link is in the description down below.